Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show how to make cartoon animation story using amazing AI tools. So let's get started. Step 1. Creating script. Now to create script, let's go to ChatGPT and ask, give me short kiss moral story, add some in it. I want to create YouTube videos from this, so also give some image ideas for each scene, including 2 kid character. And here it is. ChatGPT generated an interesting story with 2 kids characters and also have image ideas for each scene. Alright, let's move ahead to the another step. Step 2. Generating images for the story. For this, we are going to use Leonardo AI. In this tool, we get 150 tokens daily, so we can easily generate many images in free. To generate image, click on AI image generation. Then choose number of images, dimension and aspect ratio. If you are generating image for YouTube videos, choose 16:9 ratio from the option. Now go back to the ChatGPT and copy the scene of story, and paste it here, like this. Then choose 3D animation style from this option. And then click on Generate and wait for the images. So here Leonardo generated 2 images related to our text. Both images are amazing. Choose any of this and download from here. Now again, go to the ChatGPT and copy image idea and paste it here. By this way, you can generate many images related to the story by just copy the text from ChatGPT. Okay, now let's move ahead to another step. Step 3. Generating voiceover. To generate voiceover, you can use any free voice generator tool. So here I'm going to use 11 labs to generate voiceover. First of all, choose the voice from this option. Thereafter, adjust the voice, and at last choose language. Now here we have to enter the scripts. For this again, go back to the ChatGPT. Copy the script and paste it here. Here we can generate 2,500 words at one time. After this, we have to generate again. So copy the whole script from ChatGPT.
Lived 2 best friends named Lily and Max. They were inseparable, always exploring the world around them with wide-eyed wonder. One sunny morning.
And when it is ready, download this audio clip from here. Now the next step is converting the image to video. For this, we are going to use Pika Labs. To start this, click on Join Beta and accept the invitation. Then open any Generate room. To chat privately with Pika Labs, click on the member list icon. Then choose Pika Bot. Then after, click on Message. And here we can chat privately with Pika Labs. Now to generate video, enter /create prompt. Then click on +1 image, and then upload your image which you created from Leonardo. Then enter your prompt. So here, I am going to write kid story. You can write anything which you want in your video. And there it is, Pika Labs generated video in just a few minutes, but it only generated video of 3 seconds. Now let's have a look in our video. Wow, it's amazing. Or if you are not satisfied with it, click on Regenerate. It's perfect. Now let's download this. Now again, upload the another image, enter the prompt and generate. By this one by one, you can generate video from all the image. Now let's move ahead to the last step. Step 5, editing the video. For this is use Canva. You can use any other video editor software. So first of all, open the Canva. Then choose video icon from the home page. Afterwards, click on Uploads, which is on left side. And upload all the videos one by one which you created before in Pika Labs. And also upload audio track which you generate in 11 labs. Now all we have to do, add all the videos here. Now to remove this watermark from the video, click on crop and remove that much part from the video like this. Then set video as a background and adjust it. Then add audio track from the audio. Adjust the audio with video.
Once upon a time, in a quaint little village, lived 2 best friends named Lily and Max.
We can also increase length of the video. For this, click on playback speed option and then decrease the speed. Or you can also duplicate the page to increase the length of this scene so it can coordinate perfect LI.
Once upon a time, in a quaint little village, lived 2 best friends named Lily and Max.
Or you can also add transitions between 2 pages from here.
By this way, you can trim, add, or increase the length of your video. And once you are done with, click on the share button and download your video.
Once upon a time, in a quaint little village, lived two best friends named Lily and Max. They were inseparable, always exploring the world around them with wide-eyed wonder. One sunny morning, as they played in their favorite meadow, Lily spotted a small, withered plant struggling to survive. Its droopy leaves tugged at her heartstrings. Lily's eyes filled with empathy, and she said to Max, "We should help this plant, Max. It's like it needs a friend, just like we are to each other." Max nodded in agreement, his heart touched by Lily's compassion. They fetched water and gently nurtured the plant back to life, day after day. As they cared for the plant, their bond grew even stronger. Weeks passed, and the plant began to flourish, turning into a beautiful, vibrant flower. The village started to notice the transformation, and people marveled at the kindness Lily and Max had shown. One day, an elderly woman named Grandma Agnes approached the children. She had tears in her eyes as she said, "You two remind me of a time when kindness was abundant. Your friendship and compassion have filled." So this is how you can create an animated story for your YouTube videos in just few minutes. If you found any valuable information in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. Take care. Have a